Hey folks, want to show you the GARDIFE self-watering plant pots real quick. So these are my rubber plants that I got, and they came in this like 6-inch pot, and you know there's no drain, so I think they had a lot of root rot going on in here. So I wanted to put it in a bigger pot, and I could tell that they were starting to not get watered that much. So that's another reason why I wanted to get the self-watering pot. Pretty much you put the water in, and let me show you how it actually works. I have one here. So you put this through the holes here, and then the water just comes up through the lanyard here into the actual plant pot. I put water in here yesterday, and it's already bone dry. So it waters at its own pace. I'm probably just gonna put water in here again, and then if it doesn't need to drink the water, it'll just stay there in the bottom. It's a great way if you're busy, but you still wanna be a plant parent to keep your plants watered. This one is growing pretty nicely. I have the other one right here, which is beautiful. I didn't want these to die, so I decided to get some self-watering pots.